How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to all in Saraswati Sisukun Magwala Board. Which date is today? 20 June 2020. And which day is today? Saturday. Today we will learn math subject. And today I will revise you few topics of chapter number 2 and chapter number 3. So let's start. First I will revise you add time, counting forward method. Which method? Add by counting forward method. Here is the example. Let's see example. See here, 3 plus 4. So student, tell me, what we have to do? See, how many numbers are there? 4. So what we have to do? We have to add 4 in 3. So let's add. After 3, which number comes? 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many numbers we have to forward? 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which number comes last? 7. So it will be our answer. That means 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Understood? Let's see another example. 2 plus 7. So now students, tell me, how many numbers we have to add into 2? 7. So let's add. Let's start. Add 7 number. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So which number comes last? 9. So it will be our answer. So let's write it. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Understood? Let's see another example. Let's see another example. Third number. 44 plus 6. So what we have to do? How many numbers we have to add in 4? 44? 6. So let's add. 45 after which number come? 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. How many numbers we have to add? 6 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Which number comes last? 50. So our answer will be 50. That means 44 plus 6 is equal to 50. Now see last example of this method. 51 plus 3. So what we have to do, students? How many numbers are there? 3. What we have to do now? We have to add 3 into 51. So let's do. 51 after which number comes? 52, 53 and 54. remains the same even if the order of the number is changed. That means 2 plus 9 is equal to how many numbers? 2 plus 9 equal to 11. And I had 9 plus 2. Which answer? 11. You can see if we change order of two number, 2 या 9 या 9 plus 2, answer will be the same, 11. That means 2 plus 9 या 9 plus 2, answer will be the same, 11. Let's see second property. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 11 plus 0 equal to 11. 29 plus 0 equal to 29. So students, what you see? When we added 0 to any number, answer remaining the same. See here, 2 plus 0 equal to 2. 11 plus 0 equal to 11. 29 plus 0 equal to 29. That means when 0 added to any number, answer remaining the same. That means 27 plus 0 equal to 27. 21 plus 0 equal to 21, which is our second property. Let's see the third property. See example. 29 plus 1. Which number comes? 29 plus 1 equal to 30. Now see another example. 51 plus 1. Which number comes? 52. For example, 37 plus 1 equal to 38. So students, what you see? If we added one number to any number, we get the next number. That means 29 plus 1 equal to 30. In second example, 51 plus 1 equal to 52. And 37 plus 1 equal to 38. So students, our third property is when 1 is added to a number, we get next number. It means 31 plus 1 equal to 32. Which number we added? 1. So what we have? 32. See another example. 95 plus 1. What we get? 96. I hope you understood. Now see second shape, which name is rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. See, which shape is this? Rectangle. Now I will draw on the board. Rectangle. This shape is also rectangle. Third shape is triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. See student, which shape is this? Triangle. Now I will draw on the board. Triangle. This one is also triangle. This one also triangle. Now see last example, which name is circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. See student, which shape is this? Circle. Circle. See student, name the shape of given object. So tell me student, which shape of this pizza piece? Triangle. So write here triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Second one is duster. See here, duster. Which shape of this duster? Rectangle. So write here rectangle. Third one is ball. The shape of ball is which? Circle. So write here circle. Fourth one is, which shape is this? Square. So write here square. I hope student you all are understood this topic, and tomorrow will be your exam, so prepare it carefully. Best of luck. Thank you.